bio teacher and I am going to teach you the class 10th topic reproduction. Chapter name is reproduction. This is the video part 3. In this topic we are talking about sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? And it is happening in flowers and plants. When reproduction takes place as a result of fusion of two gametes on the form of each parent, it's called sexual reproduction. Gametes mean male or female both. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is fertilization. When male or female come and make with each other, then the fertilization is happening. The formation of gametes involves exchange of chromosomes. It means gametes fragments between homologous chromosome, causing gametic recombination which leads of variation. It means that it separates and create a new gamete. Sexual reproduction in plants. Let's see the sexual reproduction. It occurs mostly in flowering plants. In fact, flowers are the reproductive organ of plants. Without flowers, it can't be happened. Let's see the sexual reproduction in flowers or asexual reproduction. It's a differentiation. Bisexual reproduction in flowers and asexual reproduction. One person is the only responsible for the asexual reproduction. It's a multiple fission. Both male and female reproductive gametes are involved in this sexual reproduction. The parent cell divided into many. In the one parent cell is divided. In the sexual reproduction, as stamen and carpels are present. For the sexual reproduction, it's stamen and carpel. It is also present in flower. In asexual reproduction, daughter cell stimulation. In the division of a parent cell, a daughter cell is formed. Carpel are present. Take the example of hibiscus and mustard. And the example of one gamete cell and asexual reproduction, it's a plasmodium. Let's see the figure of flower. This is the male part. It's an anther, filament, petal. This is the male part of the flower. And stigma, style, ovary. This is the female part of the flower. It's the ovary containing ovules containing eggs. This is also called the sepal. It is the part of protection of ovary. Let's see, a typical flower consists of 4 main folds, namely carpels. It means sepal. Let's see the sepal and petals. Petals is also found in the below the anther. And stamen is the female part, and carpels is also found in the male behind the ovary. Let's see the structure of the reproductive part of the flower. Let's see the stamen. Stamen is the male part of the flower. Filaments and anther is present in the male part of the flower. It's present the meiosis of pollen grains. This is the male gamete, and let's see the female parts of the flower. It's a carpel. Carpel divided in 3 parts. First, style, ovary or stigma, and its ovary containing egg is the responsible for fertilization. In the next video, we are talking about this structural and function of stipe, stamen, style and ovary, and doing some work on this structure. If you have any problem, leave your message in our comment box. Thank you.